Hello everyone, welcome to the Reach Animal Care channel. Here we are putting content out there that might help people and animals alike and inspire others to take care of our fellow living beings and also get them to understand and see the wonderful creatures that they are. Let's move forward. There is our pigeon sick and it needs help or it will die. It's a young pigeon and we are going to catch it and treat it. Right there, it flew away and it went into the corner where I was able to catch him. Check this out. So he's suffering from something called pigeon pox and it's quite common in the summers. And also he's infested with fleas. These are parasites and very hard to catch usually. They are very fast. Also he has some thread and some human hair stuck in his legs and his legs are tied. He wouldn't have survived. As you can see, he is also very young. He has some build up right there at the back. We are trying to remove these threads and human hair. Human hair is very threatening to animals and birds, especially birds. We get a lot of cases where we find birds tied up into and tangled up into these threads and these human hair. Finally he's free, his legs are free at least. He was relieved when I held him. Usually pigeons and birds are not that still in hands. So we are putting some anti-tick and anti-flea powder. That actually worked. Most of the fleas went away. So let me show you again. This is called pigeon pox and it's quite common in the summers. It will keep spreading if it's not treated. Usually the treatment is some potash water, but you might also want to consult a vet because they are living beings. You won't treat a human without a doctor's advice. So let's also be careful with animals. Here I'm trying to remove the buildup at the back of his excretory canal. But it seemed like it was some sort of infection back there also. So I'm going to let it be and let the experts take care. Now we are going to take him to a place called Abhedanam and it is a treatment center for animals, completely free. It's located in Indrapuram and we are going to go there. Here we go. So this place is located in Shakti Khand 3, Indrapuram, Ghaziabad. And if you find a bird around somewhere around Delhi NCR, you may come here. So basically they keep the bird with them and they treat it and they then let them free. You can look them up, you can donate to them and it's a wonderful place. I'll soon give you a sneak peek of that place. I'll soon give you a sneak peek of this place. Really good energy and everything. Really good environment. They take really good care of birds. Check this out. The seagull has been here for a while now. The last time I came here, he was here. He's still he has gotten better. He still can't fly. And there's the new one. There are a lot of other birds also. That's it for this video. If you like the video, please share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Also comment what more would you like out of these videos. any comments are appreciated. It will really help us. And also you can donate to us. The number is in the description. It really helps us take care of these animals and run more operations like this. We'll be posting more updates and more videos of our rescue operations and other activities. So please share, please subscribe, and please comment. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching.